Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Honor Pad 9 and I want to show you how I remove magnification on this device. To do that, open Settings application where we look for our accessibility and features and their accessibility. As you can see, there we have some options. In it we must find our magnification selection, which is there. To do that, we switch on, and to activate we must triple touch our screen. Now we can change position of our zoom using 2 fingers. We can also zoom out, zoom on or zoom out. To turn on it, we press we press triple touch again on our screen. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!